You worked as a maintenance man, and now you've been diagnosed with mesothelioma, and you're wondering, how did you get this disease? Hi, I'm Joe Williams. I'm a mesothelioma trial attorney, and I want to give you some information about the potential asbestos exposures that maintenance men would have confronted while they were working on the job. Now, a maintenance man in a building is responsible for the entire building. If it's a 6-story apartment building or a 80-story skyscraper in Manhattan, a maintenance worker, a maintenance man, could have duties and responsibilities throughout the building. For example, in an apartment building, a maintenance man might have to every day work on maintaining the boiler system. Older boilers sometimes needed water poured into them. Boilers have to be checked. If there was a necessary repair that had to be made, if it was a simple one, a maintenance man could effectuate that repair. If it involved plumbers or tradesmen coming into the site, the maintenance man would be on site supervising. Why is that important? Because the boilers years ago were covered with asbestos insulation, and work with the boilers, whether by the maintenance man himself or by others in his vicinity, could cause asbestos dust to go into the air, exposing everyone in the room to asbestos that could cause mesothelioma. A maintenance man is responsible for the tenant spaces in the building. In an apartment building, for example, a tenant moves out, well, that apartment has to be painted, the walls had to be prepared and smoothed out, cracks or holes in the walls had to be filled with joint compound. Joint compound contained asbestos before 1977, and when it was sanded down, the dust would go in the air, exposing anyone in the room, including the maintenance personnel, to asbestos dust, dust that can cause mesothelioma. A lot of apartments and a lot of commercial spaces had floor tile that contained asbestos. And when it was removed or replaced, chipping up the old floor tile caused asbestos dust. Cutting, sanding, installing new asbestos floor tile caused asbestos dust to be breathed by any worker, any person in the area of the work. These are all potential exposures that maintenance men, maintenance personnel could have during the course of their work. And it's the lifetime work around asbestos that causes mesothelioma. Why am I telling you all this? It's because you have questions about mesothelioma and what types of exposures maintenance personnel could face when they're working on the job. I'm Joe Williams, and at our office, we handle cases for victims of mesothelioma every day. We deal with these issues every day. I invite you to call our office and we'll answer your questions. Thank you.